Welcome to my channel Fusion with Priya. Today I am making gond ke laddu. So let's get started to make the laddus. For that I have taken dry fruits, that is lotus flower, that is makhana, 1 cup, 1 cup of almonds, 1 cup of cashew nuts, and I am taking half a cup of raisin, and I will take cardamom powder, half a spoon, 3 spoons of besan ghee as required. I will tell you when I am making. And what I am taking a wheat flour, that is of 3 cups, like this, 1 bowl. So it is a 3 bowls of wheat flour, and I am taking gond 50 grams. So let's get started to make the laddus. So firstly we have to heat the kadai and put ghee. I am frying firstly, so I am taking 1 spoon of ghee to fry my gond. So 2 spoons as well, because it is 50 grams. So heat it nicely, the ghee. I have to fry the dry fruit as well. So when the oil is hot, please be careful in frying the gond. So I will putting it in the oil, all of it, and fry it nicely, little by little. See, it is all cooked. You have to see whether it is puffed up nicely or not. It is puffed up nicely. Now we will take out it and crushed it. I'm taking out all of them. Done. I will crush it and fry more. Now I will fry my dry fruit, that is cashew nut. I'm frying, and on that only I will fry the almonds. I will fry it both very nicely so that all my dry fruits are frying. Little done. Now I will put my half a cup of raisins in this, and this also frying, and this will all go, when it is cooled down, it will go to our mixie grinder to all will crush nicely. So it is done. I will take out this one also. So see how nice the flavor, the aroma came. So I'm taking out all my dry fruits. Now I will fry my makhana and nicely my makhanas are all fried. Frying the dry fruit is the best. If you fry, all the ghee flavor will come. So this makhana is also done. See, this is fried, all my dry fruit fry. So done. Now we will heat the pan, and we have to roast our wheat flour and besan as well. See, I am crushing my gond with this. You can crush it. Do you have something like this, hard one? So crush all this. So the chunks, I want little chunks in my mouth, so the flavor is good. I'm crushing it so that little chunk should be there, not too much, but little. I will crush it. Crushed, and my dry fruits is also ready, and so let's get started. The pan is hot. I am putting 4 big spoon of ghee, 2, 3 and 4 tablespoons of ghee I am taking, and now it is hot. I am putting my wheat flour in this, and besan as well, and stir it, and the heat should be low. So stir it, all the wheat flour in the ghee. The smell and the aroma is so good. And in this stage you can put cardamom powder, half a spoon, so the flavor is nicely mixed in this. In this stage I will put 4 tablespoons more ghee, total 8 tablespoon ghee in this and 2 in frying. So 3 and 4 tablespoons of ghee I have taken more and mix it. Wow, so yummy. And you have to mix until it is cooked nicely and brown. So have to mix it. Now this stage the color changes and it is perfectly done, and it takes 7 to 8 minutes to fry it in a ghee, and little brownish color will come. See, the brownish color will come and it's absorb all the ghee. So it is done now, and color came so nicely. So now it is done, and I am putting all my what I have crushed gond I am putting in this. See, this one, and my makhana, crushed makhana and crushed dry fruits, all my dry fruits in this, and mix it nicely. Mix all the dry fruits and everything and let it cool for at least for 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes, and then now the mixture is all ready. I'm adding a brown sugar in this. You can use white sugar as well, but I love to eat this brown sugar, so I'm adding 3 cups. You can take 2.5 cups of brown sugar in this. Mixing all the sugar, all the dry fruits, and holding like this and make the laddu perfect, small laddu like this. But now I am mixing the mixture nicely with the sugar, so it is very healthy, and especially it is best for winter days. Now winter is coming, so I am making all the laddus. You can eat like this also, but laddu looks good. See, a nice laddu is ready to eat. So yum and tasty. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel Fusion with Priya and like my videos. So our yummy gond laddus are ready to eat. If you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel Fusion with Priya and like my videos.